Now let me tell you about a girl I know, but not really. I met her on a tour stop outside of Philly. She was front row, reached her hand so I could feel it. I kept looking at her, she knew every single lyric, it was dope. I stuck around after the show to go and kick it with the fans to come and see us on the road. It was all love, bunch of pictures and hugs, but that's when I learned just how different she was. She was 19 and addicted to drugs and almost died last year. Sometimes she wishes she was, and she was crying. Her brother was with her, he came too. He nodded and he said that everything she's saying true. And then she said tonight was the best night of her life.
Hi, my name's Bernard. I'm down here enjoying the festival they're giving out, the clothes. It's good that God loves everybody and you should love everybody too. Because without these people, you would have nothing. And without having nothing, you wouldn't get nothing. So it's all again to get back so you can get. It's God that is graced of the day. The day was nice. It rained a little bit, dipped a little bit, but it's okay. Because everybody out here is having a good time. Everybody's out here showing love and we giving love. So when you give love, you get love. And that's what it's all about. Unity in the community. Peace.
Night was the best night of her life, and even if it didn't last, right now it feels right. I looked her in the eyes and put it on my life that we gon' work on this together, and she gon' be alright, I know. So when you feel alone in the nighttime, just know that you ain't never on your own. Cause everybody goes through the lows, and I just want you to know, just know that I believe in you, like you believe in me. Just know that I believe in you, like you believe in me, like you believe in me.
And what's going on, I think it's pretty good because, you know, some people don't have anything. It's Christmas time and they need things. And for them to be doing this, it's really, really great. Out here a few times, I never came to get any clothes or anything, but I've seen them out here.
Look at my coat.
They do it once a month?
Once a month?
Look at my coat.
No, I never knew that.
Once a month.
I never knew
Nice,
that.
right?
Well, I think it's a great thing, really. I think this is really great for the community, for people who don't have anything. You know, they'll get blessed. For Christmas, you don't want to see kids that don't have anything, that are in the house and, you know, maybe their parents aren't doing the right thing, they don't have anything, the whole nine. Maybe some kids will get some things this Christmas that they wouldn't have gotten at all.
Yeah. Like you believe. See, things happen in crazy ways. I swear to God, since that day I've changed my ways. Now every day when I wake up, I reach over, grab my phone, send a text to her, and let her know she's not alone. And I promise that I won't forget, cause on the real it's so sad, she's so depressed.
You know, this is well, they don't have my size, but this is real nice. You know, it's nice for you know, the people who are a little less fortunate. You know, thank God I still have somewhere to go and stay. A lot of people, they have to sleep out here outside and stuff. You know, thank God that I still have, you know, a place to stay. But Brooklyn's real, you know, real nice to these people to take times out of their life to come down here and hand out coats and give a little coffee, hot chocolate. You know, it's real nice. Merry Christmas.
Through our daily conversations, what I've learned about depression is that it's hard to know the answers when you don't know the questions.